What's up, guys? In this video I am going to attempt to clean my beauty blenders in the microwave. I saw this girl do it on the Instagram video, so I decided to try it. So what I did was just pour my makeup cleaner and beauty blender shampoo in a plastic container, and also put a little bit of Dawn dish detergent in it. Put water so it could get soapy, and I am just going to add my blenders to it. I think I put a little bit too much water in it. So you're going to see here that it had a little bit of spillage going on. But as you can see, my beauty blenders are pretty disgusting. And I was trying to get them to like stay at the bottom, but they obviously floated. So what I did was I'm going to put them in the microwave after I finish pouring the water out. I'm going to put them in the microwave. I'm doing it for a minute just to see what happens. So I end up doing the minute, and then I opened it and just said, let me try another minute. And I also end up putting a top on it. And here are the results. The water is pretty nasty. And as you can see, initially they still look about the same, but you can see that makeup did come out of them because the water is so dirty. So just trying to show y'all, and it was kind of hot. So I am now going to just pour the water off. After I finish playing with them, I'm pouring the water off, and you see they are still pretty nasty. So what I did was I decided to give them a rinse. So you're about to see the results of just rinsing them off. And they are a lot cleaner than what they were, but I don't recommend it.